Hey guys, for my historical technology, I chose to learn about and create a model of the first hot air balloon. So I chose the hot air balloon because of how unique it is and how honestly how dangerous it seems. Because when you first think about it, these people were going up in these balloons and really not knowing if they were coming down. So I chose the balloon to learn about its creation and honestly why it was created. So for my model, show you. I had to use paper mache for the balloon and then just use popsicle sticks for the basket. So the real first hot air balloon was made with paper and silk up here, and the where they stood was included with the hot air balloon. So it was honestly quite dangerous. Um, so this was significant, I learned, because it was the first time objects and humans could travel through air, which eventually led to airplanes and being able to travel in outer space. Thank you.